Snacks and ready-to-eat food manufacturing is a fast-growing industry driven by changing consumer lifestyles, convenience, and demand for high-quality packaged foods. From chips, namkeen, extruded snacks, biscuits, instant meals, and ready-to-eat products to healthy snack options, manufacturers must ensure efficient production, consistent quality, food safety, and complete traceability. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of snacks and ready-to-eat food manufacturing while improving productivity, quality, and operational efficiency. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From recipe and formulation management, raw material procurement, and production planning to mixing, cooking, frying, baking, seasoning, packaging, quality assurance, inventory management, warehousing, and distribution, every process is seamlessly connected. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides real-time visibility across the entire manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced production planning enables manufacturers to optimize equipment utilization, monitor ingredient